Good morning and welcome to another CAN diagnostic video. And today we have got a 2 litre Golf TDCI that has been having some reoccurring EGR problems, so we have been asked to delete it. So we're going to go through the procedure of how we use Kess to get this shit done. Right, so we're going to go CAN. Got the battery maintainer on. Well, battery maintainer, it's a safe charger. Right, so we're going to read and we're going to ID as well, so we can send it all off together. Okay. Yeah, we know. Okay, so we found the chassis number, found everything. So we're going to read. Yes. You can see here we found the chassis number as well. Okay. So we're reading. We'll come back once that's done. It's going to take a while, but look at that. Okay, so we're nearly done on the reading. We are, well, I'm going to read the ID as well, just to send the log file off. But I won't bother taking you through that because it's exactly the same as reading, only it's a bit quicker. Well, so I'm pretty sure at that point, if you need it patching, it will tell you. Alright, we're going to write the new file that has been kindly done by Sir Lewis at LM Auto Repairs. It's this is a customer's vehicle and I haven't done that many of these on my own car, so I'm going to play around with this sort of thing. I've got all the software to do it. 1 minute. Sorry about that, don't know where I got to. Rude customers ringing me and wanting me to do their work. Fancy that, eh? But I don't know what I was saying, but so I've had this file done by LM Auto Repairs for me. I haven't done a great deal of him, so I just want to, yes, we've got it on. Get him to do it first for me, so I can, so we know it's quality, like. And there comes a scary bit. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay. And we'll just let this go through for a bit first. Right, so the eagle-eyed viewers may have noticed that the first bit of this clip, it said Ori. So yes, in my excitement, I did flash the original file back to it. So now we've got the actual file we need. EGR off. Try this one first. So with a bit of luck, as long as Lewis has done his job properly. If he hasn't, he's not getting paid. Simple as that. There'll be no sweeties for Lewis. Right, we're nearly done. Slowly but surely. It took about 13-14 minutes or so. Switch off the dash. Okay. So we'll wait for the log to process, and then hopefully it'll start. Task successfully completed. Switch off the dash, yes. Disconnect. Okay. Oh, moment of truth. And she starts, and the warning light's gone straight off. Sorted. Sweet. So, just a quick video. Like I said, I didn't write this file. I could have done it, to be quite frank with you, but I don't have the experience that a good friend of mine has got. So in this instant, I've got him to do it for me. So thank you to Sir Lewis at LM Autos. And this is just a quick video really, just to show you how Kess works. Obviously, it's not for the masters out there who do this on a daily basis. It's more for the people who are new to this and just need a bit of guidance. So until next time, ta-da.